Hello, children. So, today I will start with you all with the milestone book, the first chapter of civics, that is Understanding Diversity. So, this is Priyanka Sanyal from TIGPS Siliguri. So, students, let us start with the chapter Understanding Diversity. So, for example, you can see in the picture in the slide that is a picture of a classroom where all the students are there. Now, have you noticed in the classroom, or have you noticed from yourself also, that when you sit in the class, or the students which are in the classroom, they are all from different backgrounds, they are all different from each other, they are not exactly same, right? Like you might, if you might be a Bengali, if the other friend might be a Nepali. For example, if one friend of your friend, one of your classmate is Bihari, other one is of uh, other one student can be of another language. So you will see that if you look around your classroom, you will see that no student is exactly the same. They are different. You will also find in the classroom that there are lots of variety of people, isn't it? Even around your environment also, there are lots of variety of people with different language at home, has different habits and interest, and even different food habits, isn't it? So then, what is diversity after all? The variety of people, languages, food, dance, and many other things is called diversity. Therefore, diversity means variety or different. It is variety that makes our world such an interesting place to live in. Because in the world, in our earth, there are lots of many different types of nature, different types of animals, different types of plants, different types of people are there. We if there is variety, there is difference with one in one another. So if there is difference, therefore it makes the planet unique, it makes the planet an interesting place to live in. Now, okay, apart from this physical difference, like from different language, different food, different body color, or different body structure, not only physical difference is there, but also other different aspects of every people or every individual is present. Like, what are the difference and inequalities are there? Like, there are many types of inequalities, like economic, social, and political difference. So let us give you one example from economic inequality. The economic inequality, one example is the difference of rich and poor. You can see the slide, the difference here, one is rich, another one is poor with having nothing, he has no car, no money. But on the other hand, the rich person has lots of money, car, and a good house to live in. Now, example of social inequality, which is a perfect example, is the Indian caste system, which you have read in the history chapter, and which is still prevailed in today, like Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras, even Dalits are there, which these different types of caste are there. That means what? This is social inequality. So what does diversity, or what does difference, or what does variety, or what does diversity does? Diversity enriches us, it encourages us. A variety, it adds variety in the life, variety in the planet, the variety in environment. So diversity means diversity. What does diversity does? Diversity adds variety, adds spice to life. Life would become boring. Yes, life would have become boring if all the things are same. There is no diversity, there is no difference, there is no variety. So life would have become boring after all. So students, I hope you have understood the video. So thank you. We'll meet you soon in next video.